Hi all, I am Ganesh Krishnan here. Welcome to my channel Financial Literacy by GK. My channel is available in two languages, both in English and Malayalam. I would like to First of all I would like to say what is my channel about. So my channel helps you for managing your personal finance, to manage your business, to gain financial and accounting knowledge, to know about different taxes and its applicability, to save taxes, how to save tax, financial tips and tricks. You should think that what is financial literacy or what is financial education. Financial education is the ability to understand how money works. So we know that money is a very important part of our life. We need money for our day-to-day living. Okay, so financial education helps you to understand how it's work. So it is the art of investing and managing money and the ability to make sound financial decisions. Now we see what is financial literacy and why financial literacy or why financial education. Let's see. First of all, to avoid gets cheated due to lack of financial knowledge. We can see lot of news day to day that so many people are getting cheated because of the lack of financial knowledge. Second, to make proper financial decisions in your business as well as your personal life. The proper financial decisions is very much important both for business as well as personal life. Okay, because our financial decisions, if we make a right decision, we will go smoothly ahead in our life, and if we make wrong decisions, it will make us suffer in our life. Third, no financial education, no money for retirement. This case I am not saying for the government people who are getting pension till the end of their life. I am saying for the general public. Most of the 90% of the people nowadays are not saving much for the retirement. Yes, they are saving a bit of the retirement, but that will be enough only for 2 to 3 years of retirement life only. But we, as our medical structure is very advanced now, and average lifestyle is average age expectancy of every people is getting higher day by day because of the medical structure. So we need a retirement fund for next 10 to 20 years after your retirement. So without proper financial education, it is very difficult to make a retirement fund. Then the last one, to learn proper utilization of your money. How to utilize our money, how to spend our money, how to invest our money. So we all will be learning. My videos will help you to learn all these things. So let's learn together. I will be also learning with you because day to day the things or scenarios are changing day by day. So I will be keep on updating the day to day changes in the economic or finance or money related matters. So are you ready? The first thing you need to subscribe this channel and also share this to your friends. So thank you. Before ending the video, I am telling one more thing once again. So these videos are available in Malayalam also. So if you like to see in Malayalam, you can see every video in Malayalam. Otherwise, if you are convenient in English, you can continue watching in English also. Thank you once again.